Hi, this is Samantha, and I'm here to talk with you today about the strategy called Raft. What Raft is an ELAR, English Language Learning strategy that is used to allow kids to find a creative way to write about their understanding of content. In this case, we are going to be using Raft to write about the content in this session. So let me explain a little bit, give you an example about what Raft might look like in the classroom. So this would be once you've covered some content and you have checked for understanding and your kids seem to be able to tell you a little bit more about it. And this gives them a way to integrate academic vocabulary in a creative writing style. So Raft stands for Role, Audience, Format, and Topic. The role is who the writer is. So for example, let's say we're going to talk about gravity, and you want your writer to be the apple in a tree, and you want the audience, which is the A in Raft, to be the earth. The format can be in whatever letter writing format you want it to be in. It could be a love story, it could be a journal entry, it could be a postcard saying, wish you were here. But in this case, we're using the example of a love story. So you might be talking about gravity with your kids, force and motion, and you want them to write about something dealing with gravity and pick some items that might be attracted to each other. So planets or whatever. So the apple would write a letter to the earth and talk about how it's gravitationally pulled and can't seem to stay away from the earth and so on. So I'm sure your kids would come up with a much more creative way to put that, but that's just one example of how Raft might work in the science classroom. It's actually a lot of fun and creative, and the kids like to share their stories. And then again, the topic in my example was gravity, forces, motion, might be in biology, it could be two things that are that co-evolve together, so like a flower and a bird, or in chemistry, it could be something with electrons and an atom and things of that nature. So just another idea of how to use writing in the science classroom, because it is so critical for our kids to know how to write. It's part of being successful, and it's just good teaching strategies. So there's some other examples that are given to you here of student-generated Raft prompts. There's lots out there on the internet. If you have questions, please feel free to shoot me an email, but that is my quick example on Rafts. Thanks.